Yeah, Mansi, tell me something about Bhopal.
So Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. It is also known as the incredible heart of India and also the city of lakes. In earlier time in the history, Bhopal was also known as Bhotstar. It is a very beautiful city, as you mentioned, sir, and it has many important establishments like BHEL and ISRO's master facility as well. And when we talk about the education, it is also known as one of the educational hubs because it has NIT, NLIU, NIFT, AIMS, and also IIFM. And when we talk about the different places to explore in Bhopal, that can be there are tribal museum and different museum which attracts the attention of the tourists, and also the nearby places that are Sachi, Bhojpur. These are the places that mostly tourists like to visit.
Okay. Any military establishments in Bhopal?
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
Sir, I don't know the detail of it.
हाँ?
Sir, उसकी डिटेल मैंने लिखी हुई थी, अभी है नहीं मेरे पास, तो उनको याद
पोस्ट
नहीं है।
करेंगी. तो मिलिट्री एस्टैब्लिशमेंट क्या क्या है? 21 कोर is there, which is a strike corps. There's a EME center of the EME branch. Then we have a selection center, central, and there is the DSSC, which is the ISRO center in Bhopal. Okay. Chalo. That gives me a good idea about your Bhopal. Suppose you tell me about your education and training. In this, I would be interested in the subject you like the most, those you did not care for so much, and the grades achieved in the exam. What were the extracurricular activities available in the school, college, the events you have taken part in, any special achievements in the field? Do tell me about your friends, your closest friend, the teachers you like the most, and how your education was financed.
So starting with my school education, sir, I've completed my 12th from St. Joseph's Co-ed School. In my 10th standard, I scored 84%. In my 11th standard, I scored 81%. Further on in my 12th standard, I scored 70%. The subject that I liked the most was economics. That was the reason that I opted for commerce. Further on, that made me a curious interest in business study as well. And when I talk about the subject that didn't interest me that much, that would be history, because I was not able to relate with that subject that much, and that subject mainly made me more monotonous towards it. And when I talk about my graduation, I've completed my graduation from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences from BCom Economics. Economics being one of my favorite subjects, that's why I opted for that specialization. I've scored 76% in my graduation. Further on, I've done my PGDCA in computer application, and in that I scored 88% in my final semester. Currently, I'm pursuing MBA, that is Masters of Business Administration from IPER Institute, and I've given my midterm examination in which I've scored again 87%. Further on, when I talk about the teachers that I like the most, was my business teacher, as she was mainly related to practical knowledge, and that subject was also related to the practical knowledge. And she was a teacher who was always well dressed and talking very politely to the students, and also used to help us if we are not able to attend the class, not just me but for all the students. She used to relate all the subject to in a very practical manner in a general way. So that made us easy to understand the subject, as business studies is basically the subject of case studies and different things. Further on, when I talk about the extracurricular and the co-curricular activities, so I was part of my school girls band. I was part in my basketball team in my school as well. I was the Yellow House captain in my school and also the cultural minister. Further on, I was part of the dance team of my school as well. I've participated in many dance competitions as well and won a few of them as well. When I talk about the different activities, I would also like to mention that debate is something that I really like the most, and I've participated in several debates. For example, Indian International Model United Nations, and been the campus ambassador in the TSMUN as well. Further, when I moved towards my college, I was the under officer in NCC. I have also done my NCC in school as well from Air Wing, and then further on completed my C certificate from the Army Wing. When I moved towards the different things in my MBA, which I'm currently pursuing, I'm the finance coordinator of my college, and also have represented my college currently in many inter-college dance competitions as well. When I talk about my friends at school, so I had a really good friend, that is Rishita. She has been my friend since 6th standard. And further on, I'm quite a friendly person, so I have many friends, but I would like to mention my few close friends, that are Rishita, Palak, Shantanu, and Amol. Further on, ending with this, my education was financed by my parents.
Okay. So now, sir, the interviewing officer will be asking on the CIQ only, few questions. He may give her a situation also about planning, organizing, exhibition. Okay. So this will not end here, but she has been able to cover it well. Okay. चलो बंद करो.